The first few times I heard this, I didn't think much of it. After all, I've had years and years of experience with WordPress and built websites large and small. Are you someone who thinks WordPress is only for small websites and blogs? Because it's not. Really, really not. Hi, I'm Deb, and today, while I talk about the reasons you should use WordPress, I've assembled an all-star cast of awesome websites that you probably never thought would be WordPress. Yet, they are. Did you know WordPress now powers 43% of websites? It is the fastest growing CMS on the market, CMS being Content Management System, and I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you should use WordPress. Admittedly, one of the biggest selling points for WordPress is that it's free. If you want more advanced features, there are themes, plugins, and other tools to add in with free and low-cost options. Why WordPress is free is because it's an open source project. Using an open source content management system, or CMS, that's been around as long as WordPress, launched in 2003, comes with tremendous benefits. It's frequently updated, easy to customize, and extensively tested. What more could you ask for? And there's a huge community for awesome support. Number 2, it's very user-friendly. Learning something new is often intimidating. Even if you've never done anything like this, rest assured, it's easy to get started with WordPress. It is simple to understand and navigate on the inside, from writing content to installing themes and plugins. Reason 3, mighty power, highly versatile, and incredibly flexible. This is the main reason WordPress is my platform of choice. Out of the box, it works like a charm. But there are countless ways to increase its capabilities. We're talking things like themes and plugins. Whatever functions you need for your website, consider it handled. There are thousands of easy-to-find solutions available, many of which are free. In fact, over 50,000 of them. I will cover themes and plugins in upcoming videos, so stay tuned for those. And in case you're wondering, I use the Divi theme 99% of the time that I build new sites for my clients. Reason 4, WordPress security features. This platform is built with security in mind, and updates are published on a regular basis to address any vulnerabilities, not to mention give us cool new bells and whistles. Side note, to be able to keep making videos to help you build your website, design it, expand it, and grow your business, I need to show YouTube that I'm offering content of value. What that takes is subscribers and thumbs up. I'd really appreciate your help with that. Cool? Okay, so we covered why WordPress. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and ask. I'm happy to answer. I specialize in WordPress websites, large and small, and I'm sure I can help you. God bless.